Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, April 18th. I was looking for a stronger close on Friday. We didn't get that kind of behavior here in the NASDAQ market. You can see the market firmed up a little. It broke to the downside, then buyers came back in. It still implies a bias to the upside. I look for Monday to be a quiet day and for Tuesday to take off. It also depends on what happens over the weekend with the Doha conference that's coming up. Well, let's take a look at what's going on the currencies. I was looking for the euro to get stronger, and it did. It traded above its bullish level. The difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $312.50. I do look for follow through on Monday. If it doesn't, then I'm looking for a sideways move for the next 3 days. And our friend Mr. Yen, it traded above its bullish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $187.50 per contract. And anything else I need to tell you here, and that is for this market, I do look for follow through on Monday. Let's take a look at interest rates. You know, I wanted to see downward pressure here in the notes because that would support that stock market. We didn't see that. We have an equal and opposite. It implies actually an up day for Monday, but I don't look for a dramatic day to the upside in that market. In the gold market, well, I'm not looking for much, and we're not getting much, and I'm looking for more of the same on Monday. Basically a sideways move. Silver, on the other hand, we were looking for follow through to the upside, and that's what we got here. Now, copper did trade below its bearish level, and the difference between the bullish and bearish level in that market, to give you an idea of that magnitude change, is $750 a contract. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at what's going on with crude oil. In crude oil, we have weakness as we come into that Doha program coming up on the 17th. The market's pricing in what's going to be happening there. I don't have confidence in that, and I do look for further weakness. However, structurally, this has got bullish overtones to it. I'm bearish. If we take a look also at soybeans. Soybeans made another attempt at a rally. I look for a sideways move on Monday for that market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.